Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 69 Ford Torino Talladega, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their movie series Fast and the Furious, and this is specifically from Furious 7. So let's open and see how it looks. Just trying to not damage the box. Okay, got it. So here it is. Wow, the paint job looks really amazing, and it's actually kind of a mix of two kind of paint job. So here it is purely like glittery gold until here, in the mid section of the hood. So this part is basically like it's metallic golden color. Okay, the entire body is metallic golden color, but the roof and rear of the car, including this center section of the hood, it's actually glittery gold, and this is a nice combination actually. So let me just, the rims also looking really nice here. So it's a bit difficult for me to show the interior because of the lighting conditions, as well as it is actually not white inside, so it is pretty dark, but the detailings are really great. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.